Hello, everyone. My name is Constantin van der Wegen, and I am an honor student from the class of 2021. For my internship abroad, I traveled to New York City in the United States to work with the Mount Sinai Hospital neurosurgery team as a neurosurgery trainee. Here, I worked on the COAST project, which stands for Coiling of Aneurysms Smaller than 5 millimeters with Hypersoft and Hydrogel Coils. This was a multi-centered study with 15 centers participating in the United States and Canada. I focused on data authentication, analysis, and the writing of the manuscript. To understand what I was researching, we must understand what an aneurysm is. Here I have shown you a normal vessel. Nothing is wrong with this vessel. With an aneurysm, there is an outcropping of the vessel wall, as shown here. This can be any vessel anywhere in the human body. However, I focused on cerebral aneurysms, which are located in the brain. Aneurysms develop because the vessel wall is weakened due to disease, lifestyle, drug use, or age. When an aneurysm develops, it is at risk of rupturing, as you can see here. Not only does it mean that you are then internally bleeding, but the blood takes up space in the skull, as you can see here. The brain and the volume of blood start competing over who gets most space in the skull. The rupture of an aneurysm is deadly in 1/3 of cases, and another 1/3 are severely handicapped. You can imagine that within the skull, there's only so much space. It's a limited commodity. So when the volume starts pressing on the brain matter, this can damage the brain. This is why an aneurysm, rupturing of an aneurysm is very deadly and requires immediate treatment. Treatment of an aneurysm can be done through inserting a catheter through a small incision in the groin, the neck, or the wrist. As you can see in the diagram, you can maneuver the catheter towards the aneurysm. The catheter is used to then insert coils into the aneurysm. As you can see here, one by one, the aneurysm is filled with new and more coils. This causes the aneurysm to occlude. And once the aneurysm is concluded, the brain can start repairing the aneurysm, and there's no more risk of rupture. COAST focuses on the use of new coils in very small aneurysms. When working with these small aneurysms, it increases the risk of complications, such as rupture while treating. I have been examining the safety and efficacy of these new types of coils, which are specifically designed for these small aneurysms. We've shown that these coils are safe and efficable, and they can be recommended for treatment. However, further research is necessary as the results from our study need to be reproduced in a larger basis. Thank you very much.